let us pick up. Let us pick up our books and our pens. They are our most powerful weapons. One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Education is the only solution. Education first. Thank you. I did not know that there were so many people who were supporting me. And after a while, my father and some other people, they showed me some pictures, some cards and letters. And I saw so many girls and people who were raising the banners of I am Malala, and who were there with me and who said that we stand up for education with you. So I felt really honored and very happy that there might be a few bad people in this world, but this world is full of millions of good people and who want education, who want peace, who want equality. That really gave me hope, and that's why I'm here. I'm still continuing the education campaign. Before this incident, I was a little bit scared. I used to think I might be attacked and how would it feel, but after I was attacked, I became stronger. And as I said that, my weakness, fear and hopelessness died, and strength, power and courage was born. So I feel more courageous, and I believe that even death is supporting me in my cause. So that's why I'm really committed, and I have made this as a goal of my life. So this is a second life, and it's totally
it is literally. No?
Yes. My mother sometimes calls me that you are 1.5 years old or 2 years old,
Yeah.
because for her I was born on that day.
It's been 2 years now. Is that a recurrent nightmare? The moment of the shot, the day of the shot? Do you ever think of it, or you?
So the good thing is that I don't remember that incident, but my friends told me that when the two people came and they stopped the bus and one asked, who is Malala? I did not get time to answer that question. Otherwise, I would have said that I am Malala and I stand up for education, not only for my education, but for the education of your sons and daughters, for your children. But then he fired 3 bullets, and I was only 3 minutes away from my house in my school bus, but the journey was so long that I didn't reach my home back. And I'm hopeful that one day I'll go back to Pakistan. I will go back to my home and meet my friend. I'm still like hopeful about that. But other than that, I don't think about that incident, and I think it was just part of my past. And the good thing is that I don't remember, so that's why I don't think about it. And I'm always hopeful, optimistic, and I think we should think about future and what more good things can we do.
Malala, but it all started for you just wanting to study, to go to school. No? It's amazing. I mean, it's unbelievable. It started like that. I want to go to school.
So I know when you said that Malala did a campaign for wanting to go to school, but for us it was like a diamond, and we were trying to struggle for it. It was so precious, and the Taliban, they snatched it from us, and at that time they destroyed more than 400 schools, and they were totally against the freedom of women, against the education of women, against the empowerment of women. And this is what I did not want to be deprived of. I wanted to get quality education, to be who really I am, and not to be just a housewife and cook all the day and just to be a sister or daughter, but I also wanted to be recognized as a woman and as a human being. That's why I had to stand up. And I usually tell people that I only had 2 options, either to remain silent and wait to be killed, or to speak up and then be killed. And I chose the second one because I did not want to live in that terrible situation of terrorism, but I wanted to speak for peace and for education. I wanted to go to school and make all my dreams come